Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lily and my channel is a place where I share all of my healthy, vegan, mostly whole food, plant-based recipes with all of you. Today I have a recipe that I'm super excited about. I was inspired by this restaurant that I ate at when I was home in North Carolina visiting last weekend. It's called Ono Bowl and it's like a poke bowl restaurant. So they did have fish and all of that, but they also had this delicious marinated tofu. So that is of course what I got in my poke bowl. So today I'm going to show you how to make it for yourself, so stay tuned. You are going to want to try this recipe. So the first thing you're going to want to do for your poke bowl is get your marinade going for your tofu. So I'm going to be using coconut aminos as the base for this marinade, and it's kind of like a poke sauce imitation. And you can use tamari or soy sauce, whatever you prefer, but we're going to be doing a 1/4 of a cup. So next I'm going to be using toasted sesame oil, and I'm going to be doing just 1 teaspoon of that. A little goes a long way. Next I'm going to be doing 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. Two tablespoons of maple syrup or whatever liquid sweetener you like. And then for a little heat, you don't have to include this if you don't like spice, but a little bit of sriracha really makes this taste super yummy. I'm just going to do about a teaspoon. And then to give it a bit of a fishier flavor, I'm going to be using this mixture of seaweed flakes that I made a while ago, honestly. And I'm going to do 1/2 teaspoon. I'm trying to think, I think these were just nori flakes that I crushed up, to be honest. And I have some sesame seeds in here too, but it'll just help with the flavor. And then I'm gonna whisk it all up. Give it a taste to make sure it tastes good. Really yummy. I forgot lemon juice though, so I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of lemon juice. Now that tastes better. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this large dish to marinate my tofu in. So I'm gonna spread it all in there. So for the tofu, this is what you're gonna wanna use. Super firm tofu is the best in this recipe, and it has most of the liquid already out of it, so all you gotta do is really pat it dry. Okay, so you're just gonna wanna cube your tofu into little bite-sized pieces. I like mine fairly small. Then you're gonna wanna put your tofu into your marinade and spread it evenly. Make sure it all is getting soaked in this delicious stuff. I'm going to be using the Derek Simnett method by smushing it down to absorb the marinade with another dish. That's why I use this bigger dish, so that I could fit this one in here. So you just want to press it down lightly and kind of make it act like a sponge and just soak up all these juices. You don't want to press too hard because then your tofu will lose its shape. Just little presses I find works good. I'm just going to set this aside and let it continue to marinate while we start on some of the other ingredients. Another ingredient in the bowl is going to be some shelled edamame. I just buy the frozen kind so that it's easier to use. I'm just going to pour some in a bowl and get it microwaved for a few minutes. And I'm probably going to do about a cup and a half. And just put a teeny bit of water in here and microwave it for about 3 minutes. Also in our bowl is going to go some shredded carrot, diced cucumber, diced avocado, and mango as well. I like the texture of shredded carrot better in these bowls because that's how the restaurant that I had it at did it. And it just tastes better because the carrot's not so hard, you know, as if it was in big chunks. But you can do your carrot however you like. Next, I'm just gonna dice up the cucumbers really quick. I just like everything really small and bite-sized. And then you just need an avocado. Let's hope this is a good one. Pretty decent. And then last, but definitely not least, you definitely need something sweet in this poke bowl, and this mango hits the spot. You could also do pineapple, that would be good as well. So since it's poke bowl, you definitely need some sticky rice or sushi rice. I'm using the shortcut method, but you can definitely make your own if you want. I just like this brand because it is organic, so I'm gonna stick this in the microwave for 90 seconds. Okay, now it is time to assemble our poke bowl. I'm gonna start off with some spring mix. In the bottom, you can use whatever kind of greens or romaine lettuce you want. I like to kind of shred my lettuce a little bit, so I'm just gonna break it into smaller pieces. And you don't have to do the lettuce at all if you just want a bunch of rice. You can definitely do that, but why not squeeze in some extra greens if you can. And you want to pile it high because next we're going to put on the hot sticky rice. And the sticky rice is the only thing that's hot in our bowl. Next, I'm going to go on with some of the edamame. The shredded carrot. Cucumber. This yummy mango. And then the avocado. And then last but not least, our tofu. As the sauce for the bowl, we're just gonna use the tofu marinade that's left over. There's plenty left and it makes the perfect sauce. Put as much as you want. And then because they're pretty and they taste good, some sesame seeds. And this bowl is complete. Yum, I can't wait to dig into this. It honestly looks just like Ono Bowl, the place that I got the idea from, and I can't wait to dig into it. So let me go ahead and give this deliciousness a taste for all of you. I gotta get like a bite of everything, so this is gonna be a little hard, but not impossible. I don't know if I have a cucumber. There we go, got it all. This takes me back to last weekend. It is so delicious. The sauce, perfect balance of sweet, savory, all that goodness, and all of the fresh veggies just make it taste so light and just a perfect summer meal. So I recommend you go and make this right now. If you do, comment down below and let me know what you think about it. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it today. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Bye. Okay.
Mo just does whatever he wants.